Right guys, this is the last one from us. And then we are booked for the Christmas flight down to St Martin. It will be live for some take arrivals and departures from out here. Right guys, our jet is just about an hour to land. So that'll be us for our ride back to Heathrow. Okay, she's at 1,000 feet. I'd like to thank all the guys here at Skiathos, also the nice people that we had this morning here. She coming on this runway, yeah. Yes, she is. She's about 1 hour to land. We should have gone over to the beach, yeah. Fortunately, we did that this morning, but she's not coming over here, is she?
500.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Got an appearance. That's our jet, I believe. Yep.
400.
Yeah, guys, that is our jet for our ride back to London Heathrow. Oh man, this is going to be absolutely insane.
200.
Oh, here we go.
50,
She's touching down.
40, 30, 20, 5.
Bang! Welcome to Skiathos. That's our ride home, guys. Right, guys, thank you very much indeed from us here at MaxJet TV Live, from our first show here in Skiathos. We were live this morning, and now I'm going to get my ride back home. Listen, thanks very much, look after yourselves, and we'll see you on the way home. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.